Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rytan RY9039 belt, replacement belt for the RY100 and RY200 series machines. Gives some dimensional properties at 7.5 inch by 4.25 by 3 inch. I really have no idea what those dimensional properties are to mean, although we lifted that information out of the manufacturer's catalog. Unless we're missing a decimal point, maybe 0.3 inch, that would make sense. However, I'm going to tell you quite accurately some dimensional properties of this. The thickness of the belt, or I should say the width of the belt, 0.282 inch. Wait a minute. Forgive me. 0.183 inch. 0.183. This is the natural state that the belt arrives in. Okay, about 5 5/8. If we pull it down taut, you can see where that 7.5 inch is going to come in. Okay. A V-groove on the back side, and from the back of the V-groove to the height of the tooth on the belt, without compressing it, or at least trying not to, of course, 0.141 inch. Back of the V-groove to the top of the tooth, 0.141 inch. Okay, now from the back of the V-groove to the valley of the belt, 0.136 inch. Bottom side to the valley, 0.136 inch. Center to center on this is going to prove a challenge, naturally. Maybe not. The width of the groove, the width of the tooth, so to speak, on the belt, 0.060. Caliper, and this is tough. The distance between the teeth looks like it's about 0.046 inch. Obviously, I'm not able to be very accurate with that, but those approximations are going to prove to be 0.046 between the teeth. It's the best I can do with this caliper, and obviously this is a flexible-based item. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the Master Operator Manual Index, Master Operation Manual Index. Now, Rytan is a key machine company that I'm quite partial to. I've owned my RY200 for 15 years, and while it doesn't get heavy use, it gets moderate use. And there are times when it does get heavy use, but overall it's moderate use. With the exception of changing the cutter maybe once and then recalibrating it, that machine is rock solid, bulletproof, built like a Sherman tank. I'm incredibly partial as a result of my past experience with the Rytan, and quite frankly, when it comes to something that's heavy, that's not going to use, that's not going to move when you're cutting the keys, and that once you finally got the depth accurately dialed in, and it's on all the time. So that's why I love the machine. The lead times are long for them, plan ahead, but I'm partial to the machine, speaking from actual experience. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rytan products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the Key Machine Master parts list as well. If you have any questions on the RY9039 replacement belt for the RY100 and RY200 series key cutting machines, duplicating machines, or any other Rytan product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.